Hi, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Umar, and in this tutorial we will make this drawing in AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD 2018, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So as you can see, I have already created this part. So we'll make a similar part like this. We'll also model this part in 3D using revolve command. So let's first make this part in 2D like this. Here you can see I have already this drawing. So let's delete this drawing. Okay. And here you can see I have already created some layers like center line, dimension layer, hatch layer, hidden line, solid line, text, etc. So I will use this layer solid line. So first of all, I will make this line, this is 70, and then we'll make this dimension 28 by 16. Let's go to AutoCAD. Let's make one line like this 70. Okay. And then we'll make a rectangle here. And the dimension of the rectangle is 28 by 16. So let's make rectangle first. Go to here rectangle and select this one D for dimension. And the dimensions are 16 by 28. Here you can see the inverted rectangle. So I will select whole rectangle, go to here rotate, and I will rotate this rectangle 90 degrees. Okay. I will place it using move tool like this. Okay. Now let's make another line. This dimension is 30. So let's make this dimension like this 30. And I will place it here. Okay. Now I will make this circle, and the diameter of this circle is 64. So let's go to here circle, center with diameter, and I will snap this point as center point, and the dimension is 64. Okay. Now I will extend these lines up to this circle. I will snap this point and I will make one line up to here. Okay. Similarly, I will make another line up to here. Okay. Now this dimension is 32. This is a radius. So I can make this circle using 10 radius. 10 is for tangent. So go to here circle and I will use this command 10 radius. Tangent to this circle, tangent to this line, and the dimension is 32. Similarly, tangent to this circle, tangent to this line, and the dimension is 32. Press enter key. Okay, now we will use trim command. So I'll select trim command, press enter key. First I will trim this circle, then trim this circle, then these lines, and then this portion. Okay. Now I will make these center lines. So I will drag this line up to, let's say here, and then I will make another line like this, and I will place it right here. Okay. Now I will select these two lines and I will change its layer to center line like this. You can see the current scale of these center lines is not correct. So I will select this center line, right click, go to here properties, and I will change this line type scale to 2 or maybe 3. Okay. I'll go to command line. I will write MA. MA is shortcut key for match properties. I will select this line and I will paste it here. Okay. Now the scale of these two lines are same. Now we will dimension these. So this is 28, this is 16. And I will change my layer to dimension line. Select this one linear, and this dimension is 28. Okay. This dimension is I guess 16, and this is the diametral dimension like this. This is the radial dimension, this one like this. You can pick this point or this point, it is up to you. I will pick this point and I will pick this point, and this dimension is 70 units. This one is 30, so I will make another dimension. This is 30, and I will move this text to here. Okay. Now you can use join command. Let's say I want to join these sketches, so I'll go to command line. I will write join. I will select this sketch, this sketch, and I will press enter key, and now you can see these sketches are joined. Also, let's say I want to make this part in 3D. So first of all, I will change my layer to, let's say, this one, solid line. Okay. I will make a copy like this. Okay. For creating a revolved object, I need a half section. So select this command trim, press enter key. I don't need this one. I don't need this one, and I will delete this half part. Okay. Now I will revolve this sketch 360 degrees to make this bulb. So for this, I will change my workspace setting from drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. And I'll go to isometric. I'll go to here 3D modeling commands drop down, and I will pick this command revolve. It is asking revolve select objects, so I will select this object, press enter key, and now it is asking the axis, so I will select this axis and I will write 360 degrees in the command line and press enter key. Now I will rotate my object or revolve my object, and it is showing me the wireframe. So I will change this wireframe to, let's say, conceptual, or maybe the shaded or shades of gray. So that's how you can use revolve command in AutoCAD, and you can make simple 3D objects in AutoCAD using revolve command. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.